HooplaKidz Shows.
Who munches on carrots? Who also eats bananas? Whose tail's as long as Daddy's? Who's swinging on the vines? She has two bunny ears, just like her mother's ears. And everyone is asking, whoever can she be? Zabezoo, Zabezoo. Who on earth is Zabezoo? Ears and tail and fun adventures. That is our Zabezoo. Zabezoo, Zabezoo. Who on earth is Zabezoo? Ears and tail and tons of giggles. That is our Zabezoo.
Paper planes.
Come on in. Mom said it's okay. While Daddy's at work, we can check out his office.
Just don't touch anything on Daddy's desk.
Of course, Mommy. Don't touch anything on his desk.
Zabezoo's dad works as an astronaut. When he's not out exploring the stars, he writes flight manuals for pilots.
Oh! Ugh. Do you know how fast that plane is?
No, but it's so beautiful.
Look, I can make an airplane too.
No, you can't touch anything on the desk.
But this isn't the desk. It's the table. Zabezoo, does your dad need these papers for anything? I don't think so. They're just scribbles and drawings. Wow, that flew great. I'm making one too.
Nice job. And here goes mine.
Let's see whose plane will fly the farthest. 1, 2, 3, fire!
Mine flew the farthest.
1, 2, 3, fire!
Bum bum ba bum bum ba bum 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 ba bum. Zabezoo, Zabezoo. Who on earth is Zabezoo? Huh? Oh, formula for radial trajectory? Glide slope station? Hey, stop! Don't! I need those!
Hey, look! Your dad's playing with us.
Quick, let's throw him some more planes.
My writing! My blueprints! Make it stop!
Honey, what's going on?
This is my new manual! 3 chapters have already flown away!
Hey, you 3! Stop flying those planes this minute!
Oops, I guess Daddy must need these scribbles for some reason.
That's what I've been saying. Don't touch anything. I can't believe it, but we found all the pages.
Daddy, we found all 3 chapters. We didn't mean to throw your papers. We thought they were just scribbles. And you always let me play like that.
Zabezoo, I'm not angry with you. Quite the opposite. You inspired me. While I was watching you and your friends fly planes, I came up with a new way of piloting. It's where your plane flies like this.
It flies like this?
Exactly. And I think I'm gonna call this technique the monkey tail.
Then, you'd better get started on another chapter.
Munches on carrots. Also eats bananas. Whose tail's as long as daddy's. Who's swinging on the vines. She has two bunny ears, just like her mother's ears. And everyone is asking, whoever can she be? Zabezoo, Zabezoo. Who ordered the Zabezoo? Ears and tail and fun adventures. That is our Zabezoo. Zabezoo, Zabezoo. Who ordered the Zabezoo? Ears and tail and tons of giggles. That is our Zabezoo.
I want to fly. One morning, Zabezoo snuggled in bed and dozed off into the most splendid dream. Swiftly, Zabezoo was gliding in the sky with her favorite birds. Light as feathers, Zabezoo felt free. Until suddenly,
Zabezoo! It's time to get up.
Mommy! I was flying with my favorite birds, like this.
Wow, that means you're growing, sweetie.
Mommy, if only you could feel it. I need to learn how to fly like a bird.
I'm sorry, honey, but bunnies can't fly like birds.
Just you wait, Mommy. I will learn how to fly. Buddy, let me teach you how to fly. You just gotta flap your paws fast. Come on, let's do it. Flap faster. Oops. Feathers! Bingo, flamingo! We need feathers and wings to be able to fly. I will make wings and I will fly. I want to glide across the sky, to soar over the mountains like eagles, like brave falcons. I want to soar over the mountains. We have to move super fast and then we'll take off. Let's fly! I'll color wings in blue and gray. When I'll meet birds, I'll say, hey, hey! Let's fly over the mountains like eagles, like brave falcons. Let's go fly over the mountains.
Zabezoo, that's no way to fly.
Yes, Daddy, that is no way to fly. We'll jump high, very high, and then we'll fly. My legs can jump so high, all I want to do is fly. Oops.
Zabezoo, can you help me finish sewing?
Mommy, I can't. I'm learning to fly. 1, 2, 3. Come fly with me.
Zabezoo, I'm weaving a gondola. Want to help?
Dad, I have a date with the sky. Let's go. I'm flying. We did it, buddy. Failed again. I will never fly. Never! Never!
You will fly, I promise. Be patient. You can always try again. Let today go and be hopeful for tomorrow.
The next morning, Zabezoo looked out of the window and saw a hot air balloon built by her loving parents. Once in the sky, Zabezoo realized how much she loved her parents, who made her wildest dreams come true.
I thought I needed wings. But Mommy and Daddy, I just needed you. Swinging on the vines. She has 2 bunny ears, just like her mother's ears. And everyone is asking, whoever can she be? Zabezoo, Zabezoo. Who on earth is Zabezoo? Ears and tail and fun adventures. That is our Zabezoo, Zabezoo, Zabezoo. Who on earth is Zabezoo? Ears and tail and tons of giggles.
The Butterfly Meadow. One day, the teacher took the kids on a field trip.
Today we go to the park to see butterflies.
We are gonna see butterflies! Boom, chaka, boom, chaka, boom, boom, boom!
Let's get going.
On the way to the park, the kids met Mr. Raffy. He looks after things in the park.
Good morning, Mr. Raffy! We are going to see butterflies! If I were a butterfly, I would go chasing after swallows, and my name would be Swallowtail.
And I would change my wings' color every day, and they would call me a painted lady.
And I would fly from flower to flower, collecting nectar to treat you all. Yummy!
Hey, hurry up! There's shelter over there.
Oh no! Now we'll have to come back another time, and I won't get to see the butterflies.
Let's get closer. Don't give up so soon. Come on! Puddles will not stop us. Hey! It's so deep. Looks like Ella will not see the butterflies today. Yes, she will. We'll carry her over. But we don't have a stretcher. We have hands instead. Give me your hand now. All together. Very good. Phew, this job's not an easy one.
All right, now we're safe from the rain. Let's rest up and have a snack.
Here's a pie for you, and one for you, and for you.
Yum! These cabbage pies are delicious.
Ella, you must be a cabbage butterfly? Yes, it's so fun.
All right, children. Our time is up, unfortunately. We have to start heading back now.
But the butterflies!
We didn't get to see the wild butterflies.
I'm sorry, but butterflies don't fly in the rain.
Let's just wait a tiny itty-bitty bit longer.
But it looks like this rain will never end.
No, it surely will. It will go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. All the the friends want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Sun, oh sun, please melt the clouds. Scatter their gloomy crowds. Shining from the gleaming skies. Wake the pretty butterflies.
This is amazing! The sun must have heard your song and scattered the clouds.
Boom, chaka-toom, chaka-toom, boom, boom.
And so, as soon as the rain is over, my umbrella is found. Thank you, Mr. Rafi.
Thank you, Mr. Rafi. Look! Over there! Look!
They're so beautiful.
There are so many! Yes, it's so fun!
The kids looked at the butterflies and thought that to get to see such beauty, they could do anything together.
Even part the clouds!
On HooplaKidz Shows.